how to use a toothbrush. The first thing we need to choose is the right brush head. If you have a toothbrush which has got a very large head, the issue you'll have is when you brush your teeth, you're brushing side to side, you'll miss the curves of the teeth. And the reason is the large brush head is just not nimble enough to go around as well as if you have a smaller brush head which has got more maneuverability. The other thing to do with a brush head is to get one which is quite soft, and that's because it gets further in between the teeth and it's kinder to the enamel. Now, another thing to be aware of is when you're brushing is that there's a curvature of the teeth. So most people when they're brushing hard and they're scrubbing, and that's okay, but what you'll do is you'll miss the bits which are around the curves of the teeth. There's two curves. There's one which goes from the back of the tooth to the front, and then there's a curve from the top of the tooth to the bottom. So when you're brushing, you want to be going from the back to the front in a curved movement, and also from the top to the bottom in a curved movement. That way you don't miss these debris that are there. Now, another thing to be aware of is when you've got teeth which are crowded, which means they're overlapping, then you need to be aware that they've got slightly different angles for each tooth. So this tooth, you're going from side to side on the curvature, but this tooth, you'll need to have a slightly different angle to get rid of this debris on the back of this tooth, and separate debris for the back of that tooth. And you do the same for the inside of the tooth as well. So they have their own curves